Okay. All right.
Hi.
So,
Hi.
this is Steve.
Hey, me.
We can see you.
Me. A swallowtail pot.
We're going to make a what pot?
Swallowtail.
A swallowtail pot.
My swallowtail.
What, for a black swallowtail?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so he had me. I don't know how to do this. How you flip it? I don't know. Can you see me? He had me. Hi. He had me to. I took him to a nursery a couple weeks ago, and I FaceTimed him while he was in the car, and we bought all these plants. So, unfortunately, Kelly took the tags out of these. Oh, phlox? Okay, so that's a phlox. Sentiment? Oh, pestamine. Here's a pestamine.
And they need water.
And they need water. Yeah, so we're going to plant them in these two big pots that we put alongside this lovely new bench we just purchased out in our beautiful front yard that's just starting to bud and bloom. And we just had a wedding here last weekend, so it was just in time. And here's, of course, our loyal companion jersey. And that's it. So Steve wanted me to help him plant.
Well, I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, so he wanted me to help him plant these two pots next to this bench so we can sit out here and enjoy this spring and summer. So I'm going to do my best shot. He's really telling me what to do. I have no clue. I'm just acting as his hands. All right, so here we go. Okay, so we're back. I got everything I need. I got the soil, the plants, and Steve's trick that he wanted me to show you was all right, good job. That's all you could do? All right, 2 points. Okay, so his trick is to fill the bottom of the pots with his addiction to Pepsi so that we use less soil. So it's just going to act as like a filler on the bottom. How many you think, Steve? 3 or 4?
Well, then will that fit?
Okay, but then I got to dig. Okay. He obviously didn't like how I placed them. He had to move them around. Yeah, so whatever I do is not going to be right, of course. All right, so.
No, take that out of the pot.
Take it out of the pot?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so Steve had me, after putting the plants in, the Pepsi bottles in the bottom, we took the plant out. And we just wanted to see height-wise what we were looking at with the Pepsi bottles that we had in there. And he says it's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and start to fill it with soil. Steve had me meticulously place all these plants. So now we have some of the phlox for nectar for the adult butterflies, and we have parsley and fennel for the caterpillars. Oh, so we have ourselves a lovely full-blown butterfly garden for adults and caterpillars. Why didn't you say that in the first place? Now I get it. Yeah, so caterpillars and adults. We have them covered.
And the black swallowtail.
And the black swallowtail. And
New Jersey.
Oh, black swallowtail is the New Jersey state butterfly.
Yeah.
Look at that. You learn something new every day. I've lived in New Jersey my whole entire life, and I probably knew that. I'm sure he's told me that probably a bazillion times in the 24 years we've been together. But I'm actually acting like it's the first time I've heard it because I feel like it's the first time I've heard it. I'm not saying it is, but It is the first time that I remember hearing it.
Now we're gonna make a second one.
Okay, we're gonna make a second one, so we'll be back. By the way, I was being told I did a good job until I broke a stem off of one of the plants, and I'm pretty sure, I couldn't understand what he was saying, but I'm pretty sure he called me a murderer under his breath. But anyway, that's a story for another time. So here comes our next pot. After, oh my God, it's been so long, I'm exhausted. How long has it been, Steve?
8 hours.
8 hours. Okay, so we finished our fennel and parsley and phlox pot, and I watered it, but it needs more water, which I will do later, but I gotta go in and feed the dog and everything first. So I watered it some, but it needs much more, so I have to come back. But I'm exhausted. This is not my thing. His thing. And I am not a murderer just because I broke a stem. He was very angry with me. I'm pretty sure he called me a murderer. Okay, and then, I don't even know if I was on the camera. Okay, and then Hestamine, parsley, and fennel, and this one. So that was my first planting for Steve. I think it went okay. Did it go okay?
Went good.
Okay, it went good. Someday I'm going to figure out how to flip this camera around so I can say goodbye too. I'm not really sure how to.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Till next time.
More
Goodbye.